Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check mutual friends on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, we have, as you can see, the spotlights. Here we have stories where you can check out stories from other people. We have the camera roll, where you can go and take, of course, snaps. And we have the location and chats in the bottom left corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check mutual friends on Snapchat. So, to check mutual friends on Snapchat, you need to go and follow these 4 steps. First of all, what you need to do is, of course, open Snapchat. So when you open Snapchat, then you just need to go and navigate to the profile of the user whose mutual friends you want to check. Then after checking that, under the name of Snap code, there should be an option that says mutual friends. What you need to do is, of course, go and click on it, and a list of mutual friends will be displayed. Note that Snapchat only lets you see the number of mutual friends, but not their names. So just keep that, of course, in mind. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.